When disaster hits at sea, alarms blaring, smoke choking the air, the deck tilting violently, pure terror grips hundreds of people in an instant. Heart-pounding fear freezes some in place while panic surges through others, turning corridors into chaotic battlegrounds of pushing, screaming, and desperate flight. In those breathless critical seconds, hesitation or confusion can cost lives forever. The difference between survival and tragedy hinges on reacting fast, staying calm enough to follow orders, moving decisively toward safety, and holding on to hope amid the nightmare. Because when the ship is dying, your next move isn't just important, it's everything. In that exact moment of chaos, one piece of technology can cut through the panic and turn terror into survival. The Marine Evacuation System, MES. These advanced systems give everyone, young, old, injured, a fast, controlled, dry path off the dying ship, getting hundreds to safety in minutes when seconds decide everything. The Marine Evacuation System, MES, provides a safe and effective method to evacuate passengers and crew from a vessel using reversible, inflatable life rafts. Each system includes a double telescopic slide, evacuation chute, 1, 2, or 3 inflatable life rafts, each designed for 158 persons. Every life raft is equipped with an approved SOLAS emergency pack. Comprises 4 life rafts. The evacuation team shall consist of 4 trained crew members assigned to this duty, and 3 additional crew members or passengers. Manual activation steps. On the master's order, pump the device by hand several times. This activates the hydrostatic releases. The releases release the deployment lines. The lines include a hydrostatic release unit for backup. This starts the descent of the life rafts to the waterline. Automatic deployment sequence. At a set height above the waterline, the hydrostatic pressure sensor operates. The sensor has full redundancy. It releases the life rafts. The life rafts fall into the water. They inflate automatically on contact. The evacuation toboggan opens behind the life raft at the same time. Passenger preparation before entry. Before passengers enter the Marine Evacuation System, designated crew members check them at the assembly point. Remove all shoes and spectacles. Tuck in or secure all loose or bulky clothing. Button up jackets, fasten buttons, close zippers, and secure all closures. Ensure the life jacket is correctly donned. Secure all straps and buckles properly. Instructions at the toboggan entrance. When passengers reach the entrance to the toboggan, evacuation slide or chute, responsible crew members give clear instructions. They tell passengers to sit down at the entry point. Crew indicate the exact moment to start the descent. This ensures a controlled and safe entry into the chute. Continuous descent process, as each passenger enters the toboggan to descend to the life raft. The person in charge and the deputy stay at the top. They prepare the next passenger immediately for evacuation. The following person must enter without delay. There must be no gap or pause between one person and the next. This maintains a steady, continuous flow during the evacuation. Children. If a child cannot descend the toboggan alone, an adult carries them by holding firmly by the shoulders. The adult positions the child high on their shoulders, supports under the thighs. The MES is designed to withstand extreme marine environmental conditions, including severe weather and temperature variations. The system requires an annual servicing by an authorized service station. Any identified defects or damage during routine onboard inspections must be recorded in the ship's life-saving equipment log, reported to the authorized agent, and repaired. Monthly inspections supplement weekly checks and may be combined. Open access doors. Visually confirm remote release devices are undamaged. Ensure operating instructions and placards are legible and intact. Check for corrosion beyond superficial unbosing systems. Inspect bolts, welds, straps, and fittings for damage. Test winch movements briefly forward and aft. To verify conduit positioning without over-tensioning, confirm the brake is off, close access doors, and examine rotation blocks, supports, conduits, and channels for accidental damage from berthing or tugs. Reporting any issues to an authorized service station.